We don't only do mathematics on this platform, we do physics, chemistry, biology, and maths too. That's 4. The Science Academy, and so you benefit a lot if you join our group and also follow our page. Now, this question says, which of the following is amphoteric? We have sodium oxide, iron-3 oxide, aluminum oxide, calcium oxide, and copper-2 oxides. Now, what is the meaning of the term amphoteric? That's where we get it first. Now, oxides that are amphoteric have both acidic and basic property, which means they can react with both acids and base to form salt and water only. There are a few elements that exhibit amphoteric property. What are those elements? I call them salts. We have zinc, we have aluminum, we have lead, and I have tin. So this is zinc, this is aluminum, this is lead, and this is tin. These 4 elements form amphoteric oxides. So if you look at this, now you can see that the correct answer is C, which is aluminum, which is part of my mnemonics I call salt. So please learn this, develop mnemonics for yourself. It will help you to remember concepts as fast as possible. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more.